Okay, a quick one. We want to look at the concept of the go-seek function in Excel. Go-seek function actually seeks to do a form of work back. What do I mean? Looking at these financial metrics here, 2024 and 2023 financial metrics. And if we are to look at the various um, metrics like the profitability, gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin. Let's look at the gross profit margin, for instance. In 2024, we have 34.26%, and in 2023, 39.99%. Instead of asking this question, that what profit will I make? The go-seek function simply asks, what sales level do I need to achieve a gross profit margin of, say, 40%? What sales level do I need to achieve a gross profit margin of 40%? And so, to do this, we simply apply the go-seek function. But in applying the go-seek function, first of all, there must be an interconnection, like there must be a connection between the formulas you want to use, or the formulas being used to derive these metrics. For instance, when we talk about gross profit margin, we look at gross profit all over revenue. Gross profit all over revenue times 100%. So that means 34.26%, which is derived here, is the interplay between the gross profit all over the revenue, then expressed in percentage. So that means the formulas, what you want to achieve, must be connected with a formula. Now, let's say we want to achieve a gross profit margin of 40%. What do we do? Using the go-seek function. A quick one. You go to data. Under data, what if? Then go seek. Where you have scenario manager, go seek, data table. You go to go seek. Set cell. We pick cell C26 that has the gross profit margin. In 2024, to achieve a gross profit margin of 40%, what should our revenue be? What should we make as our revenue? To what value? We want to achieve 40%. We want to achieve 40%. By changing what cell? We want to change revenue, the revenue cell, to say, if I'm to achieve a gross profit of 40%, or if the business is to achieve a gross profit of 40%, what should the revenue be to achieve that? What should the revenue be to achieve that? Then I click on OK. All right, let me take it again. Go seek. We want to achieve 40%. Maybe because I did not indicate the percentage. By changing what cell? By changing the revenue. You can see 40%. So that means we have to achieve a revenue of 750 million, around 750 million, as opposed what we have before of 876, of 876, to achieve a gross profit of 40%. The same way, let's say we want to achieve a gross profit margin of 40%. We want to achieve a gross profit margin of 40%. What gross profit, leaving our revenue constant, will make us achieve a gross profit margin of 40%? You simply have it as what? 350 million, around 350 million. If you understand this, kindly let me know in the comment section. And if you need further explanation, you can also comment on that. Thank you.